Student, let me see question number second. And here the question number second part first and part two. So let me see in question number second part first, for which value of a and b that the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solution. So have an infinite number of solution. So let me see here students part first. For number of solution the condition of linear pair of equation is a1 over a2 equal to b1 over b2 equal to c1 over c2. It means to say the condition is here you see from this a1 equal to 2 and b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to 7 and a2 equal to a minus b and b2 equal to a plus b and c2 equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So here you see students the value of a1. So a1 here you see 2 over a2 a minus b equal to b1 equal to 3, the value of b2 a plus b and the value of c that is 7 and here c2 3a plus b minus 2. So here you see students for many solution and for infinite solution we have to apply this condition, and after that we have to take any kinds of formation that we compare first and second and third, or we compare first and last and second and third. So as you like you can compare. So we take here 2 over a minus b equal to 3 over a plus b. It means to say we can take here 2a plus b equal to 3 a minus b, and here you see 2a plus 2b equal to 3a plus minus 3b. So here we take 2b and from here 3b we can take here and 3a, after that 2a transfer here, so 2a, so 2b plus 3b equal to a. So here we find out the value of a equal to 2b plus 3b, it means to say 5b. So a equal to 5b we find out here. Let me see about 3. While second term and third term comparison here you see 3 over a plus b equal to 7 over 3a plus b minus 2. So we can cross multiply it here students. So 3 9 a plus 3b minus 6, and here you see 7a plus 7b. So we can transfer a one side and b second side. So here you see a, so we can take here 9a and here a, it means to say we can take here 7a and after that minus 6 and here 7b, we transfer b here minus 3. So 2a minus 6 here 4b. So here we see 2a minus 6 equal to 4b, and here we find out the value of a. So we put the value of a here from, so we put 2 5b minus 6 equal to 4b. So from here we see the value 10b minus 6 equal to 4b. So we can convert here 4b here, and after that 6 here. So the signs should be changed. So here we find out 6b equal to 6 and b equal to 6 over 6. So b equal to 1. So the value of a equal to, put the value of b in this equation. So the value of a equal to 5 into 1 equal to 5. So b equal to 1 and a equal to 5. So this is the value for a and b. So students, this is the value. And after that, students, you see here for second part, for which value k will be the following pair of linear equation for no solution. So for no solution, student, you see this is the condition match here. Let me see. So students, here you see in second parts, so a equal to 3 and b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 1 and a1, b1 and c1, and here a2 equal to 2k minus 1 and b2 equal to k minus 1 and c2 equal to 2k plus 1. So we have to apply for no solution. So no solution here, a1 over a2 equal to b1 over b2 equal to c1 is not equal to c1 over c2. This is the condition for no solution. We have to write here for no solution. This condition is given for no solution. So for no solution, we have to write here the value of a1, this is 3, and a2, this means 2k minus 1, and b1 here 1, and the value of b2 is k minus 1, and here you see students the value of c1 minus 1 and the value of c2 2k plus 1 for no solutions. According to the condition, have no solution. So this is the condition, and after that we have take first and second term. So 3 2 k minus 1 equal to 1 k minus 1, and we can read cross multiplication. So this is 3 k minus 1 and equal to 2k minus 1. So here student, you see 3k minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1, and here 3k minus 2k equal to minus 1, and we take here plus 3. So after that k equal to 2. So this is the value of k. Here k equal to 2. For the value of k equal to 2, have no solution of second part of question number 2. So students, let me see next.